Alright, so this example problem is going to be how to do question number 3 on Unit 3, Worksheet 3. So here we go. We're going to start with a diagram. The problem says Bambi steps into the road in front of Jared's car when he's going 45 meters per second, slams on the brakes, and stops after 7 seconds. So because most of us like to use graphs in this class for whatever reason, I'm just going to graph this. Let's do velocity versus time graph for this. And what he's doing here is going from 45 to 0. We'll write those values up on our graph as well. So this would be a value of 45 meters per second all the way down to 0 meters per second, and that happens 7 seconds in. And there's a nice little diagram right there for us. So then the next step here would be to talk known and unknown values. So the things that I know, I'm given the initial velocity as 45 meters per second. I'm given the fact that he stops, which tells me the final velocity of 0 meters per second. I'm told that it takes 7 seconds for that to happen, and then for part A, what I'm asked to find is his car's acceleration. So that's my unknown value. And that's sufficient for part A of this problem. My 3 known values and then my 1 unknown value. So when I'm doing the next step, I'm looking for an equation that I can use to relate velocity initial, velocity final, time, and acceleration. And we happen to have one that does just that. So that equation would be v final equals v initial plus at. And plugging values into that, I get 0 meters per second equals 45 meters per second plus a times 7 seconds. And as always, I strongly encourage you to include units in your work. First step here would be to subtract 45 from each side. Minus 45 meters per second, minus 45 meters per second. And then my result from that would be, I get negative 45 meters per second equals 7 seconds times a. Next step would be divide by 7 from both sides. Divided by 7 seconds, divided by 7 seconds. Bring this over here. Negative 45 meters per second divided by 7 seconds equals negative about 6.4 meters per second squared. And that would be my acceleration. It's negative because we're moving in the positive direction and slowing down.